ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ ಮಹಾಭಾರತಮು 825th ಡೇ. ಓಂ ಅಸ್ಮದ್ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ನಾರಾಯಣಂ ನಮಸ್ಕೃತ್ಯ ನರಂ ಚೈವ ನರೋತ್ತಮಂ ದೇವೀಂ ಸರಸ್ವತೀಂ ವ್ಯಾಸಂ ತತೋ ಜಯಂ ಉದೀರಯೇತ್. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ ಮಹಾಭಾರತಮು 3rd ಪರ್ವಂ, ವನಪರ್ವಂ ಆರ್ ಅರಣ್ಯ ಪರ್ವಂ, 41st chapter. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaishampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this, O Raja, Devendra came down to see Arjuna. After that, Yamadharmaraju addressing Arjuna like this, O Arjuna, Pasya asman lokapalan samagatan drishtinte vitaramodya bhavan arhati darshanam. All the lokapalas, we all came here. Now you can look at us. I am giving you divya drishti, the divine vision. With that, you will be most deserved to see all of us. Arjuna, in the past, you are the great Maharshi Nara, and with the orders of Chaturmukha Brahma, you have taken your Manava Janma now. O Anagha Arjuna, you will be definitely able to conquer Bhishma Pitamaha in the fight, in the war. Bhishma Pitamaha is the one who has born with the spark of Vasu, and Bhishma Pitamaha is such a great, strong soldier, but you will definitely able to conquer him. Ho Kurunandana Arjuna, you will be able to defeat the entire army which is under the protection of Dronacharya, who is the son of Bharadvaja. Arjuna, you will be able to defeat all the Danavas. Ho Dhananjaya Arjuna, you will be able to kill Tvaya Vadhyo Dhananjaya Karnascha Sumahaviryaha. You are going to kill Karna in that war. Karna is not an ordinary man. He is born with the spark of Surya Bhagavan, but you will definitely be able to kill Karna. Ho Kunti Nandana Arjuna, there are so many people have born with the spark of Devatas, Danavas, Rakshasas, but in that war, you will be definitely able to kill every of those people, and all of them will be again attaining back to their abodes according to their karma. O Phalguna, Akshaya Tavakirtischa Loke Sthasyati Phalguna. Your fame is going to be established on this earth forever. Laghvi Vasumati Chapi Kartavya Vishnuna Saha Gruhana Astram Mahabaho Dandam Aprativaranam Anenastrena Sumahat Tvam hi karma karishyasi. Arjuna, along with Sri Mahavishnu, you are the one who is going to make this Bhudevi free from the heavy burden. And for all that, you please accept this Dandastram that I am going to give you. This is such a great weapon. With this, you will be able to achieve everything. Like that, Yamadharmaraju talking to Arjuna. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Jai Shriman Narayana. Jai Shriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana 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 Sriman Narayana Narayana Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.